Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do the Chubby AI filter trend on TikTok. Okay, so for that you need a third-party app called CapCut. So go to App Store or Play Store and download this app. And once you download the app, what you can do, go to CapCut. Okay, on the bottom of the screen you will see templates. Tap there. Now here search for Chubby filter AI. Okay, you will see many templates with this effect. Select a template. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, on the bottom of the screen you will see use template. Tap there. Okay, now browse the picture from your camera roll. Let's go with this one. Hit next. Okay, and your video is ready. Now you can turn on export and you can share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this trend on TikTok. If you are not finding the template in CapCut, check the description box below. I'll give the link to the template there. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.